Hey everybody, we just got done drawing a snail. We got a request to draw a snail, didn't we? So this is our finished product. This is mine, this is Noah's. I think that he did a really good job with the colors and everything. We had a lot of fun, so we hope that you guys have fun and follow along. So let's jump into it. All right, Noah, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are we drawing today?
A bar of Pringles.
A bar of Pringles. No, what are we drawing?
Slug.
Slug, close. We're drawing a snail. A snail. We have a very big fan of our channel who requested a snail. Huh?
Yeah.
So we're gonna draw a snail for her. So we hope that you guys like it because we're gonna have a lot of fun with it, huh? Okay, so the snail's gonna be right here, kind of like this big, and we're gonna start with its eyes because the eyes kind of poke out the top of its head. Okay?
Yeah, there's kind of like these. He has like a little antenna eyes.
Yeah, kind of like little antenna eyes. And if you poke the eye, it kind of like sucks in.
Yeah.
But we don't do that because that's mean. Okay, you ready? So you got your Sharpie?
Yep.
Okay. So we're gonna start with two little circles right here for the eyes, like this.
Okay.
Circle, and then another circle. Just like that. Perfect. And now we're gonna draw two more circles, kind of on this side of each eye, so it looks like this. Circle, circle. Draw a big circle like this though. You don't want to color all that in. A circle like that.
No, I want to like this. Calling it all black.
You don't want the whole thing black. Nice, and you did the little shiny in the eye too. A little reflection. When I do the reflection, I always put a little circle like that in the top corner, and I draw that in.
Like a black circle around his eye.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a black eye.
Kind of. And don't color in all the white part. There you go, just like that. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna draw two lines that come down from each of the eyeballs. So this one's gonna come down like this. Here's the second line, and we're gonna do the other one. Line, line.
They're kind of like V, but without the connecting end.
Hey, that's very observant, you're right. You hear the kids playing outside, huh? On their wiggle cars. Okay, you ready? And here's the next part. This is kind of tricky, but I know you can do it. Okay?
Yeah.
So we're gonna start at this line right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? We're gonna put a little dot there, and then we're gonna start on that dot right there. Okay? And then we're gonna go out, and then we're gonna touch that line right there and go past it, keep going, go down.
Lucky.
You think you can do it? Perfect, keep going. Go down, curve down. Nice. And then here, we're just gonna go a little bit that way, go down. Okay, this is the cool part. This one that we just finished, Noah,
Yeah.
we're gonna swoop and make a big U.
That's his shell.
Yep.
It kind of looks like a slug right now because he doesn't have a shell.
Right. And then here we're gonna go down, and then we're not gonna make the same swoop. We're gonna go down and the opposite way, just slightly like that. Yep. And then right here, we're gonna go squiggle, 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 all the way to the end right there. I love it.
That's
That looks so good. That looks
That's
so
all
good.
the slime coming out of him.
Yep, kinda. Okay, now we're gonna draw a big smiley face. So how I like to draw smiley faces, just because I know this is how I've always done it. They go straight across.
This is how I do smiley faces. So I get like smiley faces on your shirt, like the design on your shirt, smiley faces.
Mm-hmm.
And we do it like that.
Oh, I love the way that you did it too. Okay, so you do your smiley face, I'll do my smiley face. I go straight across like that. And then I don't go on the very tip of that line. I go in a little bit, about right there. Okay, and I go down. Hook in there. And then I draw a little bump for the tongue. Like that.
Oh. Ah. I'm gonna kind of do it like this.
Nice. I love that. I love it. Okay, now right here, we're gonna draw a little bump like this. See that? Little bump.
Oh, my snail's looking at you.
He is. Do a little bump like this for me. Right here, next to the
Oh, right here.
little bump. And then we're gonna come all the way down.
We're drawing a shell right now.
Like a little hot dog on his back. There you go. And then now here, we draw a big lump.
Kind of like a spaceship from Elio.
Mm-hmm.
So
Draw
like
a big lump.
the big red ball.
I haven't seen that yet. You went and saw that without me, stinker. Okay, and now in the middle of the shell, so right here, oops. Okay, you're gonna draw a big swirl going in and around.
Like a cinnamon roll. His back is a cinnamon roll now.
Yeah, like a cinnamon roll. And then here, we're gonna go down. And then we're gonna do another little squiggle.
Another little squiggle. I can't really do my squiggle again.
That's okay. And then we can make him have the little mustache.
Kind of like those Italian chefs.
Yeah.
Like in the like a highly trained chef.
A highly trained chef. I love
Yeah,
it.
there's like swirl.
And then now I'm gonna color in the dark part of his mouth.
I'm gonna make a mustache like this.
I love it.
No matter what, you could do your mustache however you like.
Totally.
I mean, my mustache
Well-
like this, Dad.
Ooh, I love it. Okay, and then you do little speckles.
Or the stickiness.
And then here, what I like to do is stripes. Stripes around the whole shell going inward. Noah?
What?
Okay, but I make the stripes curve a little bit, like this. See, look at curve, 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 curve. Yep.
Curve,
Perfect.
curve, 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 curve. Wait.
He's got the big, thick, bushy eyebrows. Nice. Okay, I
Let me
love
get
it.
an old grandpa snail.
I love it. Okay. Well, I think that we should start coloring them in. What do you think? And you could finish doing the little details too. Should we color them in?
Yeah. You could I could still do this, but you can
Nice.
color.
Perfect. I'll start coloring them in. All right, there is our snail. I love how you did all those colors. Like there's a red and blue pattern. You did a really good job there. And I don't know, I just think that's really creative. Anyway, there's our snail. We hope you guys had fun. Give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.